Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change pay period in QuickBooks Online. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct company in QuickBooks Online and that you have the right permissions to view and manage payroll. Changes to payroll settings affect how your employees get paid, so it's a good idea to do this when you're not in the middle of running payroll and to double check any dates you plan to use. First, open QuickBooks Online and head to your main dashboard. This is the home base where you'll see your to-dos, shortcuts, and any alerts that might be waiting for you. If you manage more than one company, confirm you're on the right file so the changes apply to the intended business. Now look to the top right corner of your screen for the settings icon. It's the small gear symbol that gives you access to all of your company-wide preferences and tools. It can blend in if you're new to the interface, so give the top bar a quick scan and hover until you see the gear. Click the settings icon to open the menu. Here you'll find options for your company details, lists, tools, and importantly for today, your payroll controls. If you don't see payroll options, you may need payroll enabled on your subscription or additional access from an admin. Next, select Payroll Settings. This takes you to the hub where you manage how payroll behaves for your company. This page is where the key controls live for pay schedules, pay dates, and period details, along with other payroll preferences. Inside Payroll Settings, locate the section labeled Pay Schedule or Pay Period. This is where you can review the current schedule and adjust it to match how often and when you want employees to be paid, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or twice a month. Pay close attention to the period's start and end dates, as well as the corresponding pay date. Aligning these correctly helps avoid partial pay issues, missed hours, or tax timing problems. If you're changing cadence, consider the impact on hourly and salaried employees, any overtime calculations, and benefit deductions that rely on the number of pay runs per year. If your organization is moving to a new period mid-cycle, plan the cutoff so you don't overlap or skip days. Communicate the change to your team so they know when the new pay date will take effect, and coordinate with your accountant or HR manager if you're unsure about compliance or reporting. That's it. You've navigated to the exact place in QuickBooks Online where the pay period is managed and you're ready to review and update it with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.